What's up, guys? The dude is shaving back for another one. All right, fellas. So today we're gonna go in with boom, the Stallion Gold Dollar, Stirling boat drinks. All right. And damn, you know what? This smells like banana, coconut, and rum. That's exactly what I get from it. I don't get anything else. That's basically it. Banana, coconut, and rum. And you know what, guys? It is beautiful, dudes. Aftershave, obviously. Boom. All right. Boat drinks, glacial. So that's going to be nice and cold. I'm very excited for that. As far as the brush, here we go. This brush is by SmilezforMilez. It's a beautiful brush, man. This is made with surfboard particle. Bits and pieces of the surfboard. Check it out. I don't know if you can get a good shot of that. My lighting here kind of sucks. Sorry about that. I will be taking care of that shit later. So with that being said, let's get into the damn shave. All right, let's soak this brush a bit. Boom. Synthetics don't really need to be soaked, but let's just wet that. All right, time for the load. Get those bristles nice and soapy. We're gonna load for a good 10 to 15 seconds. I don't know how long it's been. We're just gonna eyeball it though, so yeah. We just eyeball that shit, honestly. Let's not put a time on that. I like to load for a long time. Even though, shit, you know what? Probably not, because we're gonna do straight razor shaving. Straight razor shaving, I gotta remember that. Because I am used to those luxurious Santa beards, and we don't need that shit for straight razor shaving. I've already said it, but I just keep forgetting because I am just so used to doing Santa beards. We're gonna go in with a nice, thin, hydrated lather, and you know what? We're gonna go for that BBS today, all right? Since I only have about 2 days, if that. I did a live the other day, a live straight shave, and I'm not gonna lie, dudes. I was smashed. I had vodka, multiple shots of vodka. Like, I almost killed the whole bottle to myself. Then after that, I moved on to Jack Daniels. So it was a lethal combination. I shouldn't have done that live, but I did. And I managed to get 2 weepers. It wasn't a total BBS shave. It was a success. I do consider that a success. And the weepers, they were so small. I mean, blood barely seeped out. So tiny ass little weepers. The soap is bomb. So yeah, I did a drunken straight razor shave. People seem to get a kick out of it. I know I did. I had a lot of fun. I always have fun when I shave. I don't like taking shit so seriously, as you can probably tell, you know? It's all about having fun. All right. I think we should be okay with this, maybe. That seems about right. Let's see. We're gonna put a little bit more water. Get a little bit more sheen out of this because we are going to do a straight razor BBS shave today, and this will be my 3rd time using a straight, all right? 3rd time using a straight. So wish me luck, fellas. All right. Just wet the blade a bit. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I am. And this is just the way that I hold it, guys. I shave one-handed. All right? So since I don't have much, I'm going against the grain. I know it's not right, but it's my 3rd time, whatever. And I'm starting upwards. All right? Let me look at the mirror. God, that feels good. There we go. And you know what? I haven't honed this. One, because I don't have a strop. I haven't stropped it, not honed it. Damn, idiot. I have not stropped it. I don't have a strop. I'm looking into one. So comment down below, how often do you need to strop your razor? Is it every time? Because I mean, my hair isn't very coarse, you know, so I figure maybe I don't need to strop it as much as often, because this edge is still very sharp. Oh yeah, that feels so good. I'm addicted to this, guys. I really am. I really love straight razor shaving now. You know what? I'm not used to these thin lathers. A little bit more hydration, fellas. Oh, and I'm completely sober right now. Okay? Not a drink in me. Not a drink. Okay, so this is how I was doing it last time. Don't cut them all. Oh, almost BBS. On this side, at least. Oh, yeah. Ooh, beautiful. That's it, guys. That's what's up. I cut myself here, so I might reopen that wound. I'm definitely going to reopen that wound. So that doesn't count. That shit don't count, all right? And maybe I should try holding it right. I don't think that's right. Is it right when you're going upwards? Feels okay. I don't really like holding it like this. Yeah, that doesn't feel comfortable. I don't like that. I don't like that. We're gonna have to do it like this. And that doesn't look comfy, guys, but to me, it is. It feels natural for me. All right. This is the part that scares me the most. Damn. BBS though, damn. It's beautiful, man. I barely touched that. Barely touched it. Here we go. This is the part that scares me the most. So if you guys have any pointers as far as doing the chin area, let me know, because I don't know what I'm doing. And I have a feeling this is the part that scares you guys as well. I know it scared Christopher. Iam CDB. Oh man, that's nice. All right. Ooh. Okay, this is the part that I'm worried about. I'm gonna cut myself. All right, so get this little soul patch. So prepare yourself for blood. Those that are squeamish, click the fuck off, because the blood is coming. Let me try going at an angle. Like a guillotine. Huh. Wow. That is BBS. Okay. So this side, right here. Right here. All right. I don't know how to attack this. Okay, right here. Like this? Or like this, yeah. I'm gonna go very light. And I'm not gonna talk. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut myself right there. I'm gonna cut myself for sure. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Okay. I said BBS. Ooh. All right, yeah. That's it. A little bit right here. All right. Right here, guys. Gotta get this area. I said BBS, so that's what we're gonna give you. A BBS shave. All right? I'm not going back on my word. I don't know if this straight razor is just forgiving. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I don't know, man. It's like, feels impossible to cut yourself almost. I'm always cutting myself with D's. Always. Oh, there we go. There's that cut. Or weeper. That don't count. Look, it already closed. It already closed. We're good. Yeah, that's it. That's a shave. It really is BBS. Let me see. Very smooth shave right here. I'm getting that. I'm getting this little piece right here. Boom! BBS, motherfuckers! That's what's up. Stallion edge. Mwah! Beautiful, beautiful. All right, fellas. That was the shave, and I did get a BBS. All right, so that was my third time going in with a straight razor. And if you guys haven't tried it because you're scared, don't be. Don't be. It ain't no thing, man. Seriously. Do not be scared of straight razor shaving. Do not be scared of straight razor shaving. I saw that douchebag. I don't know what the hell his name was, but he was saying that he was chopping his face up, blah, blah, blah. Dude, come on, man. That was probably fucking staged. What a douchebag, man. I wonder how many people it scared off, you know? That was bullshit. I didn't like that. I didn't comment because, you know, I ain't got time for that shit. I guess I'm making a video though, but whoops. But yeah, don't be scared of that, all right? Don't be scared of that. Ooh, glacial. Glacial. This is going to be nice and cold, man. Glacial boat drinks. Oh, and it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, it didn't even burn that much. Oh, the scent is so nice, guys. Banana, coconut, and I do get some more notes off of the aftershave, but I don't really know how to describe them. I'm sorry. I'm not really a fragrance geek like my boy Tim Delaney. The Scented Soldier Shaves. That guy's a badass. Check him out. I'll link that motherfucker in the description. All right. All right. I think that's a successful shave. Third time with the damn straight razor. That did not count. That didn't count. All right. I ain't counting that shit as a cut. So another successful straight razor shave from your boy, the dude of shaving. All right, fellas. That's about it, guys. Deuces.